Yeah, no, absolutely. I guess closing thought right now, what's resident on me is Tim Keller passed recently from cancer. He had a very aggressive form of cancer and back in '08, and it went away and it came back. In the last 4 or 5 years, he's been
Mm.
battling it. And he's known for his work as a pastor in New York City and the many books he wrote. His ability to reach so many different types of people and skeptics, smart people, really smart people, was inspiring to me, incredible. I think his work, frankly, is still working. And this is the thought. One of his famous books for this topic is called Every Good Endeavor. Every Good Endeavor. I read this years ago. My son recommended it. Endeavor, it illustrates how to make a real difference with our work. We need to reappropriate the idea of vocation or calling, as some refer to it, what I do for a living. And we should be looking at our work as a contribution for the good of many, not merely as like for my own advancement, right? So I think all human work ultimately it's not merely a job, it's a calling. The root word vocare is where we get vocation, and it literally means to call. That's the root word for vocation.
I
So
did not know that.
yeah, I think as an entrepreneur, you got to make sure the people on the boat see their role beyond a job. And some need help doing that. I know I do. And when you get most or all to see the vocare, in the change that you're bringing, whether it's XPS Solutions, Third Day Ranch, Traver Connect for us, Traver companies, well, you're part of something special. So that's what I would say.